Hi friends, this is Pradeep from Ace Trading Hub, and today now I'm going to talk about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty being the very preferred trading vehicle for most of the traders in India. So, if you look at Bank Nifty, recently about 3 months back, it's actually had formed a thrusting pattern. I'm just showing the portion of the chart where it formed a thrusting pattern. If you look at the location, it actually uh, had a thrusting pattern created right on the lower Bollinger Band, which is positive because it Pullinger band wise also it was at a support, and then thereafter it jumped up in next week, formed a small body, and after that it was just a sideways movement for a couple of weeks. In one of these sideways movements it formed hammer, and then subsequently there was a long candle formed. It basically, after that consolidation, it moved sideways, and that was followed by a strong green candle that closed above the uh, 20 week moving average, as can be seen over here. Now, this was followed by a strong jump in the next week, as there was this election result announced for 5 states, which indicated that the ruling party was in strength and was in power, and the possibility of continuation of reforms and policies in the near to medium term. So that made market happy, and the jump was significant. As a result of that jump, it closed above the upper Bollinger Band over here, and then there was a further up move in the next week. Both these candles were strong. The index had this had moved too strongly in very short time. After this fifth rise, there was a sideways move seen subsequently, and where it basically did not do anything. It just moved sideways for 3 4 weeks. Uh, One candle in this sideways movement is basically Harami cross, which I'm highlighting now over here. So after this bullish candle that is being pointed by me over here, there was a red candle which was a like kind of doji, and collectively these two candles formed Harami cross. After that, there was a slide in the next week. It formed hammer-like pattern, but then it recovered. However, this fall actually resulted into break of previous 2 weeks lows. So that basically 2 weeks lows that indicated that it can slip further, and as a result of that kind of move, one can see that uh, previous week there was a huge follow-up selling that was seen in Bank Nifty, and it closed below a particular crucial Fibonacci level in the form of I think 46,310, and then again there was a follow-up selling which actually helped it to close the gap it created for about 8 weeks back. The overall, I think this move has been strong, and from the current level, the weakness, if it continues, we can see that it can hit around 44,500 to 44,800 kind of band in the near term. But that is like support, so we can see some bounce back. On the upside, 46,500 can act as a resistance over here in this area, and if you look at it, uh, there's looking at the strong selling that we've seen. There is a need to be cautious at this juncture, And if at all somebody wants to trade for quick profit, one can trade with strict stop loss. Else, it is better to avoid very very short term trading and focus on long term buying for near term uh, till the budget gives clarity. So, for such clear and crisp views, keep watching my channel, keep learning, and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Thank you.